The beauty of Remote Trainer really comes down to content creation. So, of all the things we do, probably the best is provide you the ability to create your own exercises, create your own templates, package it up. You can even sell it to other trainers now if you buy the private label app option. So, let me show you quickly how to create an exercise. So, once again, we're going to select those upper three lines, upper left, and then content library, and then exercises. So you're going to see all of the different exercises uh, depending on the search filter you've selected. But if we go ahead and press the plus button, you're going to see the different sort of options we go through here. First thing I have to do is I have to test, or name my test exercise, and preferably spell it correctly. And I can then put in a description, and then I can go ahead and add a exercise video. So when you select exercise video, you can choose a video or take a video. So if I were to choose a video, I'm going to my camera roll, I can see these different videos. And this does take a little bit of time. So if it's a 30-second video, it's going to take 30 seconds to access it and load it in. So if we just do like a 2-second one, then I can choose it, and it'll take a second to percolate up and upload into the system. And in the process of doing that, then it does not immediately show up, so you're always a little bit worried. You're then going to select, is this a frequency type exercise, meaning sets and reps, or is this something for distance or duration? So those are your three options there. And then you need to pick some kind of category. General fitness, if nothing otherwise catches your fancy. And then finally, is it a client-specific exercise? Which means that you can create a video of a client, and if you do that, then it's going to be tagged just to them so you don't make a mistake. All right, that's the first step. Do you want to associate it with any body parts or not? Do you want to associate it with beginner, intermediate, advanced? Are there particular cues that are from our list or that you've created? So easiest to do that on the web version or not. So you can select that for this particular exercise. Does it require equipment? Go ahead and select whatever is required. You get the idea. So that's the second part. Then metrics, do we want to set up the sets and reps in advance, or do you want to wait until you're creating an actual workout to prescribe that? If you know for this exercise, more likely than not, you're going to use 1 set and 5 reps. Go ahead and put it in. When you go to create a workout, you can always change that. So as we go through all of this, the next step is it evidence-based? So if you are creating exercises that there's evidence to suggest or prove that it works, certainly go ahead and add that. And then finally, you can go ahead and create some position pictures. And I won't show that to you because it takes a bit of time, but the idea here is that when it comes time to prescribe these workouts with this particular exercise, when your client gets the notification, they get a PDF of the workout, and if you've created position pictures, they will show up so they can see how to do the exercise and extension. All right, so if I press save and publish, it's now been saved successfully, and in a second it'll show up in my list here. And so there you have it. Thanks.